Summer is the season for sunshine, beach days, and delicious, refreshing foods. But did you know that summer is also the perfect time to fuel your body with nutrient-packed foods that keep you energized and feeling great? Hey everyone! In today's video, we're talking all about the best summer health foods you should be eating to stay vibrant, hydrated, and energized this season. Let's dive in. First up is everyone's favorite summer treat, watermelon. This juicy fruit isn't just refreshing, it's packed with over 90% water, making it a perfect hydrating snack for those hot days. Watermelon is rich in antioxidants like lycopene, which supports heart health, and vitamin C, which boosts your immune system. Plus, it's super low in calories, so you can munch on it guilt-free. Next, we've got berries. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries. These little powerhouses are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They're great for fighting off those summer sniffles and keeping your skin glowing. Berries are also packed with fiber, which helps with digestion. You can throw them into smoothies, top your oatmeal with them, or just enjoy them on their own for a sweet, guilt-free treat. Here's a cool one, cucumbers. They're light, crunchy, and super hydrating, perfect for those scorching summer days. With high water content and low calories, cucumbers are an ideal snack to keep you feeling refreshed. They're also a good source of antioxidants and vitamin K, which supports bone health. Add them to salads, water infusions, or just enjoy them on their own with a little salt and pepper. Let's talk about mangoes, nature's candy. These tropical delights are not only delicious, but they're also full of vitamin A and vitamin C, which are amazing for your skin and immunity. Mangoes also provide a good dose of fiber, which helps with digestion. You can enjoy them in smoothies, fruit salads, or just on their own. And hey, don't forget that delicious tropical taste. Next up is avocado. This creamy fruit is loaded with healthy fats, making it great for heart health and keeping you full longer. Avocados are packed with potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure, and fiber to keep your digestion smooth. Try them on toast, add them to salads, or even blend them into a smoothie for a creamy texture. Don't forget your greens. Summer is a great time to enjoy fresh spinach, kale, and arugula. These leafy greens are packed with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as folate and fiber. Not only do they help with digestion, but they also support your immune system and provide a good amount of iron to keep you feeling energized during all those outdoor activities. Let's talk about coconuts. Whether it's fresh coconut water or the meat inside, coconuts are incredibly hydrating and packed with electrolytes, making them a perfect post-workout snack or summer refreshment. Coconut water is low in calories and helps replenish lost minerals, while the coconut meat is high in healthy fats that can keep your skin glowing. What's not to love? Tomatoes are a must-have in your summer diet. Rich in vitamins C and A, they're excellent for skin health, plus they contain lycopene, an antioxidant that supports heart health. Try them in salads, sandwiches, or as a refreshing side dish. The best part? They're super easy to incorporate into almost every meal. With these delicious and nutritious summer foods, you'll stay energized, hydrated, and healthy all season long. So go ahead, indulge in these tasty treats, and make the most of everything summer has to offer. Eat fresh, stay healthy, enjoy summer. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite summer foods in the comments below. See you next time.